I'm Wayne Smith. I run Talk Cars, got about 30,000 members now, just a shade under. It gives a best practice guide to car modifications. I was getting really frustrated. I'd buy a box for my car that said it'd give me another 30 brake horsepower. And then when I put it on my car, it made a bit of noise or something else broke or I got another 2 brake horsepower. So Talk Cars started off as me documenting my early days in car modification, the problems I was having. So a lot of it is just educating people not to waste money, to sit down and have a plan before they start their project, and to carefully get parts that actually work together. I know there's a lot of rip-off devices. You see a lot for sale on eBay that do little more than lie to the engine about the temperature of air coming in. And their idea of tuning is to just dump more fuel into the engine. We stake our reputation very much on our site and the advice that we give. We recommend stuff when we've tried it or when we've got a reasonable experience of that product. It's really nice to have a look at the TDI tuning boxes. They're actually intelligent microprocessor controlled boxes. They're of high quality. I didn't realise how easy they were to install. They very kindly gave us one to play with, and I'm really pleased the way it's gone. It literally just slotted in, and there's a range of settings, so depending on your mood you can tweak it, which we particularly liked. A lot of tuning solutions give you maximum performance or maximum economy, so with the TDI tuning box I can set it for economy when I'm doing the boring commutes to work and I'm on the motorways, and if I want a nice little coastal drive in the weekend and have a bit of fun, I can turn the thing up to 6 or 7 and really get the maximum benefit from the engine. And it's at the flick of a switch. And I was particularly impressed with the Bluetooth option. You can connect to these devices now through your phone, through an app with Bluetooth. And within the car, you can just change the setting just like that. You don't even have to go to the effort of opening up the bonnet. You can just get straight to it and change it to suit your mood. So we get to try out a lot of stuff on our cars, which is one of the perks of our job. It's not often you want to keep the stuff. You try it out and yeah, it's nice, but it's not that practical. But I've been really impressed with the TDI tuning box. I'm going to keep that in the car. Been blown away with what it's done for the car. It's completely transformed it. It's made the difference that coffee makes to me in the morning. Till I've had my coffee, not a lot happens. To be fair, driving that car, not a lot happened. It's a nice car, it's good, but dropping that tuning box in, it's really given it that caffeine boost. It's so much more responsive. I've been really happy with the flexibility that it's given me. So I certainly recommend it. If you get an opportunity to try one out, go for it.